Welcome to the world of succulents. Succulents are fascinating plants. They store water in their leaves, stems, and roots. This allows them to thrive in dry climates. Their low-maintenance nature makes them perfect for busy individuals. Succulents come in a wide array of shapes, sizes, and colors. From the classic rosette shape of echeverias to the trailing tendrils of string of pearls, there's a succulent to suit every taste. Their unique appearance adds a touch of natural beauty to any space. Whether you prefer a minimalist aesthetic or a bohemian vibe, succulents can complement any design scheme. Succulents are incredibly versatile. They can be grown indoors or outdoors. They can be planted in pots, containers, or even directly in the ground. Their adaptability makes them suitable for various environments. Whether you have a sunny windowsill or a shady balcony, you can find a succulent that will thrive in your home. Succulents are relatively easy to care for. They require minimal watering and can tolerate a wide range of temperatures. Their resilience makes them an excellent choice for beginner gardeners. With just a little attention and care, your succulents will reward you with their beauty for years to come. Terrariums offer a unique and captivating way to display succulents. These miniature gardens enclosed within glass containers create a captivating microcosm of nature. The transparent walls of the terrarium allow you to admire the succulents from all angles, showcasing their intricate details and vibrant colors. Terrariums are incredibly low maintenance. The enclosed environment creates a self-sustaining ecosystem where moisture is recycled. This means you only need to water your terrarium every few weeks, or even months. The reduced watering needs make terrariums ideal for forgetful gardeners or those with busy schedules. Creating a succulent terrarium is a rewarding and therapeutic activity. It allows you to express your creativity and design a miniature landscape that reflects your personal style. The process of selecting the plants, arranging them in the container, and adding decorative elements can be a calming and mindful experience. Succulent terrariums make thoughtful and unique gifts. They bring a touch of nature indoors and can brighten up any space. Whether you're looking for a birthday present, a housewarming gift, or a special treat for yourself, a succulent terrarium is a thoughtful and memorable gesture. Before you begin your terrarium adventure, it's essential to gather the necessary materials. Start with a clear glass container. This could be a jar, bowl, or any other vessel that catches your eye. Ensure it's clean and dry before you begin planting. Next, you'll need a drainage layer to prevent the roots of your succulents from sitting in water. Small pebbles or gravel work well for this purpose. You can find these at garden centers or even use stones you've collected yourself. Activated charcoal is an optional but beneficial addition to your terrarium. It helps to absorb odors and keep the environment fresh. You can find activated charcoal at pet stores or online retailers. A small layer at the bottom of your terrarium will suffice. The most crucial element for your succulent success is well-draining cactus soil. This type of soil allows water to drain quickly, preventing root rot. You can purchase pre-mixed cactus soil or create your own by combining potting soil, perlite, and sand. Section 4. Crafting your succulent sanctuary. Now comes the exciting part, creating your miniature oasis. Begin by adding a layer of pebbles or gravel to your chosen container. This drainage layer should be about 1 to 2 inches deep, depending on the size of your container. Next, sprinkle a thin layer of activated charcoal over the pebbles. This will help to keep your terrarium fresh and odor-free. If you don't have activated charcoal, you can skip this step. Now, fill the container with cactus soil, leaving about an inch of space below the rim. Gently pat down the soil to create an even surface for your succulents. Carefully remove your chosen succulents from their pots and gently loosen their roots. Arrange them in the soil, ensuring they have enough space to grow. You can plant different types of succulents together, but be mindful of their growth habits. Once your succulents are in place, add a final decorative touch. Small stones, moss, or even miniature figurines can enhance the visual appeal of your terrarium. Section 5. Caring for your miniature oasis. Congratulations on creating your very own succulent terrarium. Now let's ensure its longevity with some care tips. Place your terrarium in a bright location, but avoid direct sunlight as this can scorch the succulents. Watering your terrarium is crucial for its survival. However, overwatering is a common mistake. Only water your terrarium when the soil is completely dry. When watering, use a spray bottle to moisten the soil without soaking it. Observe your succulents for signs of distress. If you notice any wilting, discoloration or pests, address the issue promptly. With a little attention and care, your succulent terrarium will thrive for years to come. Creating a succulent terrarium is a rewarding experience that allows you to bring a touch of nature indoors. With minimal effort, you can enjoy the beauty of these fascinating plants for years to come. So why wait? Gather your materials and embark on your terrarium making adventure today.